So a couple of aubergines on the grill, Pyrenean lamb, rubbed in a bit of olive oil, lemon zest and rosemary. Sweat off the garlic, bit of salt, cinnamon, smoked paprika, cumin, pepper flakes, coriander, wild oregano, passata. We'll just cook that out for a little bit. Aubergines take up so much flavour from the fire, but they become so smooth as well. So now those aubergines have collapsed and they're all smooth and creamy. Scrape those out into a bowl. We'll just mulch that up with our hands. Just spoon in some of that tomato sauce until you've got a lovely smooth, creamy paste. We just spoon it onto a plate and then we'll just drizzle a bit of yoghurt over the top, some pepper flakes, brown some butter, and then just scatter over a little bit of coriander and just carve the lamb. It's been resting for 10-15 minutes. The Pyrenean lamb with the smoky aubergine. Pretty basic looking, but it tastes delicious.